how to check Etihad Airways ticket confirmation. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can check the Etihad Airways ticket confirmation, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you'd like to actually first check whether or not your ticket purchase process has been complete and whether or not your booking is currently active or not, for this it's actually quite simple, because all you have to do is basically go to etihad.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. And if you want to check whether or not your booking has been made, over here you'll find the second option that says manage. So go to the manage option. When you come to the manage option, here you can see it will ask you to enter your booking reference or your ticket number. So depending upon the ticket number that you got, enter your last name and then tap on the find my booking option. Now if your ticket has already been made and purchased and your seat has been booked, whenever you tap the find my booking option, you will be able to see all of your booking details, which confirms that you have successfully purchased your tickets. This way you can check your tickets in Etihad Airways. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.